Here I have ALCATEL 1C 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So to do this, firstly you have to remove back cover from your device. You can hatch it right here. Then you have to remove battery like this, and here you can put your SIM card and here your SD card. So SD card is put like this and SIM card like this. Then put battery back in, turn on device and put on back cover. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. So let's enter it. And there's also notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.